Soyez le bienvenu, mabuhay po tayo dyan. Is it le, la, a, o une? Okay? French nouns have rules and surprises. Okay? Let's decode masculine and femina with people, things, and animals. A1 made easy. Are you ready? Let's go. So, what are these rules? We have the rules. Okay. Le nombre de masculin ou féminin des choses, il y a des règles. Rules are reg. Okay, how are you going to determine it with masculin et féminin? First rule, if it ends with ION, masculin c'est un musicien, un musician, mais féminin on change with une musicienne. On ajoute IE douzaine E. Okay? Yung douzaine E, ibig sabihin double N, okay? Okay, un musicien, une musicienne. Next we have, qui termine, it ends with ION, comme un champion, et champion, mais en féminin, une championne. Okay, une championne. Next we have another, UUR, okay, masculin, un danseur. Un danseur is a dancer. But in femina, it's not a dancer. It's une danseuse. Une danseuse. We have another waiter. Waiter, c'est un serveur. Un serveur. Serveur, to serve. Mais in femina, un waitress is called une serveuse. Une serveuse. Okay? Next we have UR. An actor. An actor is an actor. But for a woman, it's like in English, une actrice. In English, an actor, an actress. But in French, it's an acteur et une actrice. Okay? Next, we have hierge. It's just the same. Un concierge, a concierge in the building, et une concierge. Même in the hotel, there are concierges, okay? Next, we have EF, and it will be changed comme IVE, comme un sportif, un sportiman, et une sportive. Une sportive if she's a woman. And then we have ESTE, it's just the same. Un touriste, a tourist, mais une touriste. Okay, so remember, we need to change it when we say it in masculine. Masculine c'est masculine. Et femina is feminine for the panlalaki o pambabae. We have that in Tagalog, okay? So, un musicien, une musicienne, un champion, une championne, un danseur, une danseuse, un serveur, une serveuse, un acteur, une actrice, un concierge, une concierge, un sportif, une sportive, et un touriste, une touriste. Okay, got them all? Merci. Next, we have the terminaison de IGE. IGE comme le fromage. Le fromage, c'est masculin. Fromage, okay? You know what fromage is? Cheese, queso, okay? Next, we have le village. Le village. The village, okay? Village. Ang na yun. Of course, we have le garage. Garahe, the garage, okay? Garage. It ends with IGE. Then le ménage. Le ménage, the household, okay? But we have exemption to the rules po yan. Like for example, la plage. Plage is a beach. It ends with IGE, P-L-A-G-E, plage, okay? It's a beach. It's not le, it's femina, la plage, okay? So there are still, in French, there are exceptions to the rules. Not all are all in one, okay? Then we have mo. It's meant. It's not meant. Okay? It's pronounced comme mo. Le gouvernement. Le gouvernement, the government. Okay, next we have le bâtiment. Le bâtiment is the building, gusali. Okay, so get them all. So IGE, le fromage, le village, le garage, le ménage are all masculin. Masculin or masculine in English or panlalaki. And the gouvernement is avec mon ou MNT, it is masculin. Gouvernement et le bâtiment. We have another examples later. Okay, see you later. Another one, we have EAU. Example, le bateau. Le bateau, le bateau is a boat, okay? The boat. Bangka. Bateau. Next, we have le château. Le château is the castle. Castillo. Next, we have le carreau. Le carreau. Carreau is the tile. Yung tiles po natin. Our tiles in the kitchen, okay? Or in the flooring, sol. Tile. Tiles yan po yan. Le carreau. Naman mo, we have couteau. Couteau is a knife. Couteau. Okay? So, EAU are all masculine. Then we have phone. Lahat, all it termines with phone. For example, le téléphone. Phone, telephone. And then le magnétophone. A tape recorder, if you remember the tape recorder before. Okay? Tape recorder po yan. Okay? So, lahat ng EAU, batu, château, carreau, couteau are le masculine. And then we have phone, telephone, magnétoscope, phone. Okay, phone, telephone. Okay, get them all? Merci. Next, we have another one. It ends with isme. Okay, example. Le tourisme. Le tourisme, okay? Tourisme, le tourisme. Tourisme. Le réalisme. Realism. Pagiging totoo. Okay? Le socialisme. Le socialism. Okay? So these are all masculin. Le tourisme, le réalisme, et le socialisme. Okay? Basta't may ismo ay mga masculin. Panlalaki po yan. Lo ang gagamitin. Okay? We need to use lo. Yeah? Get them all? Okay, merci. Some words break the rule. Okay? Not all that ends with e are all masculine or feminine. No. We need to be careful. Not always true. Like for example, le e. It's not all feminine. Okay? Not all feminine or feminine. Example po, le livre. Le livre, c'est masculin. Okay? Masculine. La nuit est féminine ou féminin. Okay, we have some examples again here. Un garçon. Un garçon, is a boy. Okay? Un étudiant is a student. Un ami is a friend. Un français is a French. Un père, my father. Un père is a father, is a father. Un frère is a brother. Un oncle. Un oncle is your uncle. Un fils. It's not fils, no? Un fils is a son. Un problème, okay? Un problème, it's masculine. Problem, it's just the same. Un modèle. Un modèle, c'est un pattern. Model. It's not a model naman ka. Ang model na modelo is not model. It's called manka. Manka, manika. Ang model po dito, no? Model is a pattern, like your pattern. Then, ang system. Sistema, okay? Ang group. Ang group, yung group. Ang group, il y a un, mais it's masculin. Un programme. Yung program, alam na natin program. Un volume. Un volume. Un domaine, c'est masculin. Et un livre, c'est masculin. Get them all? This ends with e. Some ends with e. But they are all masculin. So, need to be careful po. Okay? Get them all? Merci beaucoup. Now we have les noms d'animaux sont très irréguliers. What are these? The names of the animals. Animal in singulier, animaux en pluriel, animals, animaux, on change IUX. Sont très irregular. Ibig sabihin po nito, it means they are not regular, irregulier. Example po, le chien. Le masculine ng pusa, le cat, the cat, okay? The femina is la chatte, the female cat. Okay. Be careful po, la chatte minsan that is also a pussy, okay? Alam niyo na yon. Next, we have le bœuf. Le bœuf o le taureau, the ox and the bull, okay? Bull, okay? And sa femina is la vache. La vache, the cow. Next, we have le chien, the dog. But the female dog is la chienne. La chienne. Then we have le coq, le rooster, et la poule, the hen. Okay, la poule. Okay, hen, nangingitlog. Okay. Donc, we have la mouche. La mouche is the fly or flies, okay? Et la souris is the mouse, small one, okay? Because the big one ng mouse, the mice or mouse, it's another way. That is the rat, yung malalaki. Okay, the big one are called the rat. Mais les souris are only the mouse. En genre unique, have unique gender. Okay, get them all? So, le chien, la chatte, le bœuf, le taureau, la vache, le chien, la chienne, le coq, la poule, la mouche is the fly, la souris is the mouse, et un big mouse, the rat, that is called the rat or rat. It's not the same, okay? So, please don't forget all of this and wag niyo rin po sana akong kalimutang i-like, subscribe, at i-comment po. And hope to see you soon. Merci beaucoup. À demain peut-être. Au revoir tout le monde. À bientôt. Ciao.